Experience the Gusto Grill in Leland, serving the finest in true Turkish Mediterranean delights. Taste only the finest, freshest ingredients, made fresh daily. Authentic meals prepared with passion, and handmade desserts made from scratch. A friendly dining experience every time. Gusto Grill in the Waterford Shopping Center in Leland.
WWAY has deals and steals up to 75% off. Check out this great offer and many more Thursdays on Good Morning Carolina and online at WWAYTV3.com.